Hey guys, your girl Choreo here, and welcome back to my challenge. This is the Soca challenge. I hope you're ready. We're going straight to Trinidad for this one. So here we go. Just wine and warm up. Ready? Take it down, baby girl. Again. Bend over. Open it up. Hold on. Tip on your toe. Come back. Again, sit down. Bring it up. Down. Bring it up. Down. Tick tock. Down. Drop. Down. Again. Down. Down, up, again, up. Knock. Side, drop, down, up. Faster. Down. You can do it, girls. Here we go. All right, so if you caught this, you are on your way to being a certified bad girl. See you next time.